If you're looking for late harvest, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1. Bestseller, by Cantine Pellegrino. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, by Seifried Estate. Number 3, by Sangele Ursului. For more info and great late harvest, just click this circle. Number 4, by Royal Tokaji. Number 5, by Barone Ricasoli. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.